Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a character from the world of animated series. It was first created by Stanley and Jack Kirby. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Cyclops. 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 Cyclops is a powerful mutant known for his optic blasts, which can emit energy beams from his eyes. He is a prominent leader of the X-Men and is renowned for his strategic mind and leadership skills. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Cyclops, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.